is a complete map system which is having the part map 201, 202, 204, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In the whole map system, this whole section is a control section and this is a pneumatic and electropneumatic section. This control section is having a PLC in which we can write a program, and by this program we can control or we can say interface the pneumatic and electropneumatics components. So as we discussed, this is a vertical revolving system with internal gripper. This is a horizontal revolving system with external gripper. This is a vacuum picking system by which it can pick the job upward. These are the actuators, and here we can say it is a direction control valves through which we can move the actuator in and out. Now this whole map system, we are making one process. In one process, what we are doing in this job, we are putting this bearing inside it. First of all, before putting this bearing inside, this gravity feeder magazine will check the proper dimension of the hole on both sides. Here we can say it is having a smaller dimension, but here it is having larger dimension. So basically we see this bearing will be put from this side, not from this side. So it will check proper dimension of the hole. If it is not proper, then it will be this component considered as faulty and it will be ejected by ejector section. So now I will run this machine and you will see the working of how it will do. And after completing the job, when this job is completed, it means all the components will be placed in like this order, and after that it will pick each and every component one by one and place in the respective positions, and after that it will reject out this complete job. So I will run this machine. I will run this machine. This way the process is complete. Now I am changing this position of this job, and I will put this whole job in this directions, which is having a smaller dimension of the hole, and we'll see what will happen. As we see, it will check the dimension. Since dimension is not correct, this part is considered as faulty and it will be ejected out. So in this whole map system, the student learned how we can debug the things and how we can change the process in the process plant, and how we can program in the PLC so that we can control the whole process plant. Thanks.